Hi guys, today I'll be sharing a strategy with you which might be a good returns. It's a simple strategy using EMA. Okay, let's get into the strategy. I'll be using streak to create the strategy. You can use it manually, or you can use streak to create semi-automated signal, or you can use it in your fully automated trading system. So I'll be adding an instrument which is Nifty indices. I have selected 50 indices and give done. Now here, now this is just a Nifty 50 indices. Now I'll be changing it to a contract using this one. I just click on that. Just click on this edit button, and you just keep it expiry, and everything is safe. Give it done. So now we have which expiry. C. Okay, now the candidate interval is 5 minutes. Keep it to 5 minutes, and let's say we'll be having 10 lots. Here, one lot is full 50 shares, so 10 lots is equal to 500 shares. Nifty. Okay, we'll come into the condition. Enter our entry condition. Here we search for this symbol and search for Nifty indices. 50 indices. Okay. Now we are selecting Nifty 50 indices. In this, I'll be adding two EMAs, so 10 and 20. So type search for EMA and change the value to 10. Other things say. And what is your entry condition if 10 EMA is greater than 20? So process a row here, which is 20 EMA, and this is your entry condition. So what is our condition? Stop loss. Stop loss is, let's say we have 20 points of stop loss. We just change it here to points. 20 points of stop loss, and target profit is we'll close our trade only when 10 EMA crosses below 20 EMA. So we'll keep it as 9999. What does this mean? Is like it won't take profit unless and until 10 EMA crosses below 20 EMA. And we'll have a condition here, the same condition like which we had previously. Search for EMA. Here, change this to 10. Crosses below, and this one 20. And we have to change few more parameters. That is, we'll change holding time from intraday to normal, and other everything is safe. And we will analyze it from Jan 2022 March. Okay, and save the changes. Now click on save and backtest. You can test it for yourself based on your quantity and your stop losses for stocks or options. But I recommend using the same stop loss and target profit and everything because it gives good returns. Okay, now here we got the backtest results. Here, if you see, what is the return profit percentage is 867. That is for a CE week expiry. So what we have used 5 minutes candle and normal orders, and quantity is 10. So this strategy would have given 867% returns in from Jan to March 1st, and with brokerage it will be around 4,38,536. And you see here, total number of signals was 79, number of wins is 22, and number of losses is 57. Yeah, number of losses is too high than number of wins, but this will be we got a good return due to the condition which we kept in exit condition. This one here, what it will do if our strategy goes wrong, stop loss will be hit and only 20 points will be uh, in loss. But if it is profit, it goes up until unless 10 EMA crosses 20 EMA. So we'll get a huge profit. You can see here the max gains we got is 3,35,000, around 3,35,000, and the max gains is 3,35,000, and the max loss is 34,675 for 10 lots. So it's like more than 800% of returns. If you change this target profit, your return of ROI would be dramatically less. You can try changing, let's say 20 is to 100 points. That is like 1:5 ratio. If you run this, your ROI is like much lesser. So I would recommend using the same parameters. You can use it in both stocks or options. If you use stocks, keep the stop loss based on that. The stop loss points based on the particular stock. See, here we have made 384%, and the same. It's approximately the same number of wins 23 and number of losses 56. So it's better to use 99. So it will. However, the option is not going to go 10,000 points. So only it will be exceeded only if and only 10 EMA crosses 20 EMA. Okay. So you can use this one for both buying PE or CE. If you are going to buy PE, you can just change the condition to like entry condition should be EMA once EMA crosses below 20. Just change this EMA 20. That it will by the option. If it changes, if 10 EMA crosses above 20, then close the trade. And yeah, that is the strategy. You can use it in your you can use stake, just stake, and you can just deploy it in your um, paper trading and just check the results for 1 month, or you can deploy it in your live trade and just check it. You get signals and you can just place it, or you can implement this on your fully automated system. It's simple and easy to implement. If you have any queries or if you have anything, just post comments. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like the video.